Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mara. This time I'm gonna have to unbox this coffee pot because I broke the other one. So it's gonna be like my husband bought this one in Walmart, of course, and then this is the new one, so I'm gonna have to unbox this. Sorry, baby, if I broke your old one. I hit the pot and accidentally. And I did the rice cooker. Oh. Unboxing time. So when you try to open this one, automatically there is the manual thing for you to follow and how you're going to use this kind of coffee pad. And that's it. Of course, or that's good for this, like this. I'm gonna have this. Oh, ta-da! Yay! So you can see the instructions in here, as I said a while ago. And this is it. You have to carry it slowly. So of course the wire. Gonna open this. How to open? Oh yeah, they can do like this. And put water in here, maybe like 8 glasses of water. Pour one in this portion. Come over here. This portion inside this one, and then get the coffee something, put it in here, and then you close it. After closing, make sure you have to place it and plug this, of course. And actually, like, you can brew later and you can brew it right now, and if you want coffee by the time. So you have also the timer, but of course for you the time it's gonna be like this is it for you to go, hey, what's the time now? So you can set the time here if you want to. So how much is this? It's not that expensive, right?
It's like 30.
Like 30? It's only $30. So I'm not going to convert that one. It's not that much. So just like this. Actually, the old one I broke the glass because I accidentally hit one. So I wasn't able to use it. So the following day, I wasn't able to make coffee for my husband. I did not make coffee. I made coffee for not for myself but for my baby. Yeah. So this is it. What else? So this is it. This is the unboxing time for this Mr. Coffee. By the way, you can have like 12 cups for this. You can pour that one in here and make 12 cups of coffee. Wow. So it's gonna be a lot. Yeah. So it's gonna be a lot. So I can make 12 cups. 12 cups of coffee. So the user manual tells about something. And by the way, it is automatically off after 4 hours. If you're making coffee, after 4 hours, it's automatically off. So the coffee in here is not anymore hot. Yeah, but then you have the extension of 4 hours. If you're going to have to make coffee within 4 hours itself, you can drink more coffee, cups of coffee, whatever you want, but then after 4 hours it is automatically shut off. So it's good. It's kind of like a friendly user coffee pot, and there's no need for you to worry about having fire in your house because of the coffee maker or something like that. And what else? Yeah, it's a user friendly. It's just very easy for you to do. Finally, I got it. My goodness, I almost broke this one. I broke the old one. Give it away. It's still okay. After I almost do like this. I should have to do extra careful with this time. Double extra careful in using this so that I'm not going to drop it or broke it again. Yeah, so I love this. This is for my baby. The coffee maker for my baby, and this is it. Bye guys. I'm not going to drop this or break this kind of coffee pot. I can still use it in a year, I guess, or maybe for 2 years and more. See you guys. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Mwah. And by the way, if you like this video, kindly click thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. This is your Canada Journey, Mara, at your service. Love you guys. Bye.